Climate and environmental change have become one of the most prominent and most important subjects of the 21st century. The increase of sea levels, along with the decrease in air quality and the amount of pollution created by the industrial sector, has hindered the local ecosystems all across the globe. This crisis is turning into a slow, painful death if not contained, and within a few years, the whole world will change for worse. Thanks for the need of resolving this issue, many countries have took the initiative of green politics with the purpose of recycling existing domestic waste like most plastics, such as PET, plastic bags, or food packages, turning them into a potential new product. However, we have seen cases like the recent recycling crisis in the US after China's ban on American plastic waste, which have led to most recycling organizations to turn unreliable, and currently, the world of industrial trash recycling isn't as exploited as it could be. Besides, it only resides with few pioneering companies as the single source of industrial trash recycling. Although this industry is still on its early stages, we have already begun to see the social and economic impacts it has, leading companies to responsibly dispose of their waste, almost local populations and authorities to be held in what will be otherwise permanent damages in most cases to their environment, their health, and even their quality of life. In regards to the economies, it has opened up the availability of a new sector to have conscious capitalism, which takes the premise of profit from companies while sustaining a healthy relationship with the obligations of the public sector, its ties, and private organizations as a overall. This, as a result, ends increasing the inflows and outflows of businesses working in the sector. One example of such is Remeta, a Mexican industrial recycling company which commits themselves to reduce the impact of industrial pollution generated to the environment. They are set in a spot where they have the responsibility of proper disposal of waste while having to turn the trash they are provided into a potential raw material used in other products. Like the rest of the companies in the industrial trash cycle, they are in charge of connecting waste supplier companies with recycled raw material consumer companies, with the purpose of creating shared value between their network of buyers and providers. In regard to my own role and opinion, I believe companies should strive to achieve an industrial symbiosis, where the waste of one business is the raw material for another, connecting between each what will be otherwise waste into a potential new material to build products upon. I see myself as an individual who has a must for recycle, and if I ever establish a business, may it be the link for a better world.